Welcome to this series of compilations of tree work fails. Tree work often goes wrong. Sometimes people are stupid, unaware of the situation and risks, untrained, reckless, or just plain unlucky. Sometimes the tree itself fails. Whatever the reason, watch carefully and learn from it so you don't make the same mistakes or hire a professional. I hope this video will help raise awareness and therefore reduce accidents in this dangerous profession. If you are the original owner of a video and would like credit for it, please email me at info@primarygarden.nl.
Oh, net mis. It's hinged around that tree. He should be able to back up.
No, that's what I'm hoping. Yeah, that's what I want you to do. That's what I'm saying. Hold up.
Oh, Bob!
Oh,
Zit
een kat in de bol? Oh, dan brandweer wat doen.
Ta, tu, 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 tu. Ga horen. Oh my god!
This right here is my chainsaw. It got stuck in the tree. Woo! I got it. Oh no, it's on the tree!
Pakai black cat, pakai topi keledar dia, kek banyak. Aduh. Ni si puing. Woi!
Well, less than a chance.
Get out of the way!
Get out of the way!
Поют, как стаи белокрылых лошадей, но только он.
What happened?
It's mom.
Okay.
I don't think you want to do that. There's tree work gone wrong.
Thanks for watching and be safe. See you next time.